Hey, it's Nicole from nikolebeautyco. Thanks for clicking on my video. I am super excited to share with you this new palette, Neon Huda Beauty in color of pink. Check this beauty out. Stay with me if you'd like to see the look I build with this. This palette was $29 at Sephora. There are 9 pans consisting of 1.1 grams for a total palette weight of 9.9 grams, and that puts your per gram cost at $2.93. So stay tuned, dive in. Now a little bit of housekeeping. I would like to let you know who my last giveaway winner is, who's getting this really cool makeup bag with the adjustable interior, cargo net, lots of stuff. Oh, I forgot this part. And that's going to be Sophia Ortiz 10. Sophia Ortiz 10, please get in contact with me. I will let you know on Instagram and on YouTube to give me your details. Now, I understand that you're from a foreign country. I'm going to get this out as soon as I can, but I doubt it will get to you by Christmas just because you are in a foreign country from the United States. Okay, so let's jump in with this. We are going to do first this beautiful kind of, let me get this back here so you can see it. Oh, this palette is so shiny, I love it. We're gonna go in with this kind of pinky, corally color. We're gonna hit up our crease with that. Oh, wow, on the lid, this is like a true neon pink. Wow, I'm impressed. I did not expect it to be that neon. Now this is a neon, of course, as I've mentioned, so it's gonna take me a minute to kind of get this settled in and looking at home. Just take your time with these palettes. Anytime you work with neons, I find it takes a little more blending than a non-neon to kind of get it where you want. Wow, I gotta tell you, that is an impressive amount of pigmentation. And of course my face is primed, and so are my eyes. I have Laura Mercier Eye Basics Eye Primer in Linen. My foundation today is from L'Oreal, True Blend in the color Cool Ivory. My brows are done with Anastasia of Beverly Hills, the pomade in the pot. I really am enjoying that lately. How's your holiday going? My holiday is amazing. I hope your holiday's going well. So I have to check every once in a while to make sure that my eyeshadow is high enough on my lids, because I do have hooded eyes, and being 49, my eyes are a little more old and creepy than they were when I was 20. Gosh, I cannot get over how neon. I don't think I've ever had a pink actually behave and look as neon in the pan as it does on the eyelid. Kudos to you, Huda Beauty. Killing it out here. Okay, so I found that very easy to blend. There is the tiniest itty bittiest fallout you can kind of see in the pan, but I mean, not offensive in any way, just a tiny, teeny bit. So we're going to go in with the other color that's kind of in the same row, because that's the color story we're going to be telling today. Nothing insane, nothing crazy. Wow. 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 I am blown away by these neons. Blown away. So one of the nice things about the Huda Beauty palettes that I really like is how easy it is, especially if you're feeling like rushed. You can just do a color story, either stripe or diagonal if you want, and create a really pretty look. So you don't have to put a lot of thought of, is this shadow gonna go? It's gonna go. It's gonna go and it's gonna look great. So we're just taking this glitter next. We're gonna lay that in the middle of our lid. And this is made in China. So it's like liquid starlight going on your eyes. OMG, it is amazing. I was originally just gonna put that in the middle, but no, that's too beautiful. That's going everywhere. You guys know I can't resist glitter. Glitter is my jam. Well, I mean, it's a glittery shimmer. I would call it actually not shimmer. I would call this actually straight up glitter. So I would say that there are 5 pans of matte and 4 pans of glitter. Now, I've always found that I really strongly prefer to use my finger on shimmers and glitters and foils. I don't know why. I have plenty of brushes, but there's something so precise about using your finger and when you're distributing that pigment over your eyes. And of course, I have Kat Von D's holographic palette, and I chose the amethyst color. Boom, look at that stripe. You can see that from space. I'm blinding people on a spacewalk as we speak. I'm okay with it. This is such a pretty, pretty, pretty look. It totally reminds me of like Sugar Plum Fairies, and this is right up my alley. I love neons. I love, well, it depends on the neon. I love neon pink. I'm like a freak for neon pink. And it just reminds me of Barbie, and that was one of my first connections to beauty and aesthetics in the world, as it was for many kids. And I really love me a neon pink. I'm all about it. So I am going to use I'm just gonna pop a dab of my Laura Mercier loose powder in translucent underneath my eyes in it. I'm gonna use the same brush that I put the neon on, so you're really gonna get like a lighter neon pink, and I like to do that if I don't have a shade that I feel is quite light enough to go under. But I'm not gonna pack any shimmer on under that. That's just what it is. And then using my F20 Sigma brush, I already have blush on, and as I mentioned, I have my shimmer. Oh gosh, that is so pink-tastic. That is pinkalicious. That is color me pink. I love it. I love it. Okay, so my impressions are positive. Obviously, I've only tried 3 out of the colors, but I think that they're great. We're gonna swatch all of them really quick. So from there to there, hopefully you can see that. Look at those. Boom. All right, I'm gonna do a quick smudge of the pink glitter directly in the middle, and contradicting what I just said, I'm gonna use a brush for that and go under the eyes. Now you don't have to use these glitter shimmers near your eyes if you're uncomfortable. As I mentioned, this palette is made in China, but I'm gonna live life dangerously. Wow. That is impressive. Okay, so I am going to pop on some mascara and a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm gonna throw on some lipstick, and I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Okay guys, I am back to talk about my first impressions with the nude Huda Beauty. Okay, it came in a plastic clear box like my other Huda Beauty did. Let me toss that aside. So it allowed the beauty of the palette to shine through, and I do think it's a really pretty palette. For me and my collection, these colors are very unique. I don't have anything like this, so I will be excited to use it. Now, I paired it with the Mega Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in Oh My Dolly, which is my favorite, I would say like fuchsia bright neon pink color, which I think looks really great. I think these swatches are, let me turn completely sideways here. So amazing, just really cute. Very pretty. For me, I'm comfortable wearing this. You know, I'm not always comfortable. When I did the Norvina collection, I did that great green red look. That's like special occasion, but this I would actually wear to the grocery store or wherever. I don't know why, I'm just a lot more comfortable with neon corals, pinks and purples. Well, this technically, it looks in the pan like it's a coral, but it's a pretty bright neon pink. So for me, this is a definite win. I'm gonna build more looks with that. I really, really like it. I think it's fantastic. I did not do any kind of crazy cat's eye with this, but I still think it's absolutely beautiful. Let me get up close to the camera. I'm sorry if you have HD. You'll see every little flaw. Whatever, I don't care. I feel fabulous. I am going out in the world. I'm gonna do some tattoos. It's gonna be great. So thank you for joining me. As always, if you like my work, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell, ding, ding, ding for notifications, help my channel grow. And if there's things you want me to try, don't be shy. I am happy to try them out. So I think that overall, this is a fantastic fun look, which for me, I would consider to be an upbeat everyday look. But if you are a person that really does not feel comfortable with bright colors, that's probably not the palette for you. I found the formula very blendable. I found the color story made sense. For me, they're unique colors. I thought the price point was reasonable. I enjoy the packaging, and so for me, definite 2 thumbs up. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.